had a passion for problem solving and chemistry, and my undergrad was in biology, so I wanted to pursue something that I was passionate about. That led me to Towson.
One of my friends, her father was convicted like 30 years for the crime he never did. And after that, I thought that maybe like being in a forensic science and helping the people who have the wrongful conviction to prove they're innocent might be my life goal. My main project is I am dealing with the forensic signature predicate, which is helpful to prove that how accurate the kids are.
My research project here at Towson is working with Raman spectroscopy and analyzing inks on paper. The Secret Service currently analyzes ink samples with fraud cases. They wanted to see if we could come up with a new approach to that. Currently I have an internship with Baltimore Police Department in their firearms unit. We're validating and reorganizing their firearms reference collection. Dr. Androgianis is my private investigator, but also professor for some of the classes, and she's someone that I work closely with almost every day, and she's just such a joy to be around. I really enjoy working with her.
Dr. Alkins, I can always reach her whenever I need her. She just appreciates every behavior that I do.
So I can use these experiences to show that I can quickly adapt to any kind of problem that's thrown my way.
I would recommend to people the Towson because the professors, they are so supportive and they inspire you the way when it comes to research or doing something.
Definitely going to enter the professional world and explore careers in science and in forensics. I look forward to getting out there and applying my knowledge that I've learned through my 6 years of schooling, but also my hands-on experience here.